In this tutorial, I will show you how to make name label stickers in Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. On the home page, click Create a Design and type Stickers in the search bar. Choose a sticker template or size that fits your needs. You can pick shapes like rectangles, circles, or any style you prefer. Once the editor opens, click on the text tool and type the name or label you want on your sticker. Customize the text by changing the font, size, and color to match your style. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Next, you can add designs from the Elements section, such as icons, shapes, or small graphics to make your sticker more creative and unique. You can also change the background color or shape of the sticker to match your theme. If you want multiple stickers, simply duplicate the design and edit the names or details for each one. Once your stickers are ready, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF print for high quality printing or PNG if you want a transparent background. Finally, print your stickers and cut them out to use. That is how you make name label stickers in Canva.